Right, how's it everyone? Welcome to Belgium once again. Here we are with probably the best beer in the world, the Duvel, my favorite. We are sitting here in my brother's house watching Belgium play France in the Euro Cup. It's half time, so I thought I would bring a few Belgian local delicacies together. So obviously it's the Duvel beer. I'm gonna hold the big bottle, and then this is the Duvel glass that you have to pour it in. All right, you have to pour it slowly with the head. There you go. So cheers on this, and then we're going to try a few Belgian delicacies. It's that good. Right, guys, tell us. First of all, we have the chips, right? These are
Pickles.
Pickle chips.
Yeah.
I mean, everything's Lay's these days. We used to just eat paprika, but now we've moved on to pickles. So I can't say we're the most sophisticated potato chip, at least bag chips.
Yeah.
Not a thing, right? So let's move that this side. This is the Belgian cheese, right?
Yeah. Oud-Brugge.
Old Bruges, so it's from Bruges.
Yeah.
Right, this is very, very good cheese. So I'll take a little bite of that. Then, what do we have here?
Maatjes. So yeah, basically herring, but young.
Young
Yeah.
raw herring.
Raw.
Okay. Let's give it a try. This is completely raw.
Yeah.
Alright, with an onion. The onion that we picked from the farm, by the way. Right?
Yeah.
This is the
It's
red
the same
onion.
one.
You either love herring or you hate it. I think it's great. But now for the main event, these guys. Check it out. These are garnalen, right?
Yeah.
So these are the North Sea shrimps. While they taste delicious, they're a complete pain in the ass to peel. Look at this. All right, so I'm going to do this. You take off the head. I'm not very good at this. Then what? You take off the tail. I guess like any other shrimp, really. And then you're going to peel off the back. All right, and then, I mean, it's tricky. There you go. And what are you left with? Is this little shrimp. That's it, right? And then it could take you all day. So just put that in there. To give it size perspective, this is what we're dealing with. So, thank you for making a wonderful sauce for it too. So you dip it in here, right? And then you have your Belgian garnal shrimp. See? But it's very nice. Now, in reality, I believe these shrimps get shipped to Vietnam to get peeled and then back here because no one has the time, patience, or money to peel them, right?
Yeah, it's cheaper that way.
Yeah, but we bought them unpeeled just to, for the ambiance, and we're gonna keep peeling them.
Okay.
So I hope we win the football. Probably not, but anyway, it's 0-0 half time, so we're doing well. Cheers.
Cheers.